Which eye defect is characterized by difficulty in seeing distant objects clearly? Option 1, myopia, Option 2, hypermetropia, Option 3, astigmatism, Option 4, presbyopia. The answer is, Option 1, myopia. What is meant by the power of accommodation of the eye? Option 1, ability to see colors distinctly, Option 2, ability to focus on both near and distant objects, Option 3, ability to produce tears, Option 4, ability to change the size of the pupil. The answer is, Option 2, ability to focus on both near and distant objects. A person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 m distinctly. What type of corrective lens should be used? Option 1, convex lens, Option 2, concave lens, Option 3, cylindrical lens, Option 4, bifocal lens. The answer is, Option 2, concave lens. What is the far point of the human eye with normal vision? Option 1, 10 cm, Option 2, 25 cm, Option 3, infinity, Option 4, 1 m. The answer is, Option 3, infinity. What is the near point of the human eye with normal vision? Option 1, 10 cm, Option 2, 25 cm, Option 3, 50 cm, Option 4, 1 m. The answer is, Option 2, 25 cm. A student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? Option 1, hypermetropia, Option 2, presbyopia, Option 3, astigmatism, Option 4, myopia. The answer is, Option 4, myopia. What is the splitting of white light into its component colors called? Option 1, reflection, Option 2, refraction, Option 3, dispersion, Option 4, diffraction. The answer is, Option 3, dispersion. What causes the blue color of the sky? Option 1, reflection of blue light by the atmosphere, Option 2, scattering of blue light by air molecules, Option 3, absorption of red light by the atmosphere, Option 4, reflection of sunlight by water droplets. The answer is, Option 2, scattering of blue light by air molecules. What is the far point of a myopic eye? Option 1, 10 cm, Option 2, 25 cm, Option 3, 50 cm, Option 4, less than infinity. The answer is, Option 4, less than infinity. Why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the objects placed closer than 25 cm? Option 1, because the lens becomes too thin, Option 2, because the lens cannot accommodate beyond 25 cm, Option 3, because the ciliary muscles cannot contract anymore, Option 4, because the retina cannot focus beyond 25 cm. The answer is, Option 3, because the ciliary muscles cannot contract anymore. What happens to the image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of an object from the eye? Option 1, image distance increases, Option 2, image distance decreases, Option 3, image distance remains constant, Option 4, image distance fluctuates. The answer is, Option 3, image distance remains constant. Explain why the planets do not twinkle. Option 1, because they are closer to Earth, Option 2, because they emit constant light, Option 3, because they reflect light from the Sun, Option 4, because they are larger than stars. The answer is, Option 1, because they are closer to Earth. Why does the sky appear dark instead of blue to an astronaut? Option 1, because there is no atmosphere in space, Option 2, because the sunlight is weaker in space, option 3, because of the scattering of light, option 4, because of the reflection of light. The answer is, option 1, because there is no atmosphere in space. What is the near point of a hypermetropic eye? Option 1, 10 centimeters, option 2, 25 centimeters, option 3, 50 centimeters, option 4, 1 m. The answer is, option 4, 1 m. What is the power of the lens required to correct hypermetropia with a near point of 1 m? Option 1, plus 1d, option 2, plus 2d, option 3, plus 3d, option 4, plus 4d. The answer is, option 1, plus 1d. What type of lens is used to correct presbyopia? Option 1, concave lens, option 2, convex lens, option 3, cylindrical lens, option 4, bifocal lens. The answer is, option 4, bifocal lens. Why does the power of accommodation decrease with age? Option 1, because the cornea becomes less flexible, option 2, because the lens becomes harder and less elastic, option 3, because the ciliary muscles become weaker, option 4, because the retina loses its sensitivity. The answer is, option 2, because the lens becomes harder and less elastic. What is the far point of a person with normal vision? Option 1, 10 centimeters, option 2, 25 centimeters, option 3, 1 m, option 4, infinity. The answer is, option 4, infinity. What is the least distance of distinct vision for an adult? Option 1, 10 centimeters, option 2, 25 centimeters, option 3, 50 centimeters, option 4, 100 centimeters. The answer is, option 2, 25 centimeters. What type of lens is used to correct myopia? Option 1, convex lens, option 2, concave lens, option 3, cylindrical lens, option 4, bifocal lens. The answer is, option 2, concave lens. What is the unit of power of a lens? Option 1, meter, option 2, diopter, option 3, centimeter, option 4, inch. The answer is, option 2, diopter. What causes presbyopia? Option 1, weakening of the eye muscles, option 2, hardening of the lens, option 3, change in the shape of the cornea, option 4, increase in the size of the pupil. The answer is, option 2, hardening of the lens. How is the focal length of the eye lens adjusted? Option 1, by the cornea, option 2, by the iris, option 3, by the pupil, option 4, by the ciliary muscles. The answer is, option 4, by the ciliary muscles. What is the cause of hypermetropia? Option 1, elongation of the eyeball, option 2, shortening of the eyeball, option 3, weakening of the ciliary muscles, option 4, hardening of the lens. The answer is, option 2, shortening of the eyeball. Why do objects appear blurred to a person with myopia? Option 1, because the image forms behind the retina, option 2, because the image forms in front of the retina, option 3, because the lens is too thick, option 4, because the lens is too thin. The answer is, option 2, because the image forms in front of the retina. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.